right, so here they are. Now this is on the low, as you guys saw in the beginning, and even on low they are very bright at nighttime and they look nice. Got that cool little effects going on. Overall, I love them. Everyone, so these are the Soul Pathway lights. Little how-to manual, package very nice. So as you can see, they're actually pretty large and they are officially glass, which is nice. So they're not just that plastic that fades and cracks over time. So for the base at the top here, you're going to twist this off. Have the top twisted off, go ahead and pull this little tab, and that's going to let the battery give this some juice. Now you can adjust the brightness. You got high and low. You have 4500K or 2700K, and you just simply push over. We're going to do warm and we're going to do it on low. On low, that means it's going to last longer. Now to test it out, you have the panel on the top here. Cover the panel with your hand and you can test out the light. If it doesn't turn on, there's probably a good chance that it just needs charged up. Okay, so then you just simply place on the metal rod and the plastic stake, just like this. And then you can stake it in the ground. All right, let's show you what they look like at night. All right, so we have one right here, one over here, and two on the front. I'll show you guys at night. All right, so here they are. Now this is on the low, as you guys saw in the beginning, and even on low, they are very bright at nighttime and they look nice. Got that cool little effects going on. Overall, I love them.